The German dictator Adolf Hitler led the extreme nationalist and racist Nazi party has served as challenger president of Germany from 1933 to 1945, arguably one of the most effective and powerful leaders of the 20th century. His leadership led to the deaths of nearly 6 million Jews. So in this video, we are going to know about the life story of Hitler. Hi friends, welcome to our channel AGT Videos. Kindly use headphones for better experience. Early life. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1889 in the small Austrian town of Braunau on the Inn River along the Bavarian German border. The son of an extremely strong-willed Austrian customs official, his early youth seems to have been controlled by his father until his death in 1903. Adolf soon became rebellious and began failing at school. He finally left formal education altogether in 1905 and began his long years of aimless existence reading, painting, wandering in the woods, and dreaming of becoming a famous artist. In 1907, when his mother died, he moved to Vienna in an attempt to enroll his famed Academy of Fine Arts. His failure to gain admission that year and the next led him into a period of deep depression as he drifted away from his friends. It was during time of feeling rootless that Hitler first became fascinated by the immense potential of mass political manipulation. He was particularly impressed by the success of anti-Semitic or anti-Jewish nationalist Christian Socialist Party of Vienna Mayor Karl Lueger, 1844 to 1910. Lueger's party efficiently used propaganda, spreading a message through literature and the media, and mass organization. Hitler began to develop an extreme anti-Semitism and racial mythology that were remain central to his own ideology and that of the Nazi Party. In May 1913, Hitler returned to Munich, and after the outbreak of World War I, 1914 to 1918, a year later, he volunteered for action in the German army in their war against other European powers and America. During the war, he fought on Germany's Western Front with distinction but gained no promotion. Behind the rank of corporal, a low-ranking military officer, injured twice. He won several awards for bravery, among them the highly respected Indian Cross First Class. Early Nazi years. The end of the war left Hitler without a place or goal and drove him to join many veterans who continued to fight in the streets of Germany. In the spring of 1919, he found employment as a political officer in the army in Munich with the help of an adventurous soldier by the name of Ernst Röhm, 1887 to 1934, later head of the Hitler's allied soldiers. The Stormtroopers. In this capacity, Hitler attended a meeting of the so-called German Workers' Party, a nationalist, anti-Semitic and socialist group in September 1919. He quickly distinguished himself as his party's most popular and impressive speaker and propagandist, and he helped to increase its membership dramatically to some 6,000 by 1921. In April of that year, he became Führer, leader of that renamed Nationalist Social Germany Workers, and that official name of the party is Nazi Party. The poor economic conditions of the following years contributed to rapid growth of the party. By the end of 1923, Hitler could count on a following of some 56,000 members and many more sympathizers, and regarded himself as a strong force in German politics. Hitler hoped to use in crisis conditions to stage his own overthrow of the Berlin government. For this purpose, he staged the Nazi Beer All Putsch of November 8, 1889 to 1923, by which he hoped to force the conservative nationalist Bavarian government to cooperate with him a March of Berlin. The attempt failed, however. Hitler was tried for treason, crimes against one country, and given the rather mild sentence of a year's imprisonment in the old fort of Landsberg. It was during this prison term that many of Hitler's basic ideas of political strategy and tactics matured. Here he outlined his major plans and beliefs in the main Kampf, which is dictated to his loyal, confident Rudolf. He planned the reorganization of party which had been outlawed and he had lost much of appeal. For his release, Hitler reconstituted the party around a group of loyal followers who remained the center of the Nazi movement state. Guys, this is the part 1 of Hitler's biography. In our next upcoming video, we will share the second part of the Hitler's biography. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.